Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 6 lesson 5 general functions using case and decode. Case and decode functions similar to if-else statement. If you are a programmer and you know the if-else statement, so it is very easy for you to understand the case and decode functions. The first syntax of the case statement, case, and this is the expression, when, and this is the comparison expression, then, and this is the return output, when, comparison expression 2, and this is the return output, and here last thing, else, and this is the else expression, and then end. To understand how to use the first syntax of case, let's have a look at this example. Select last name, job ID, salary, and this is case statement. So this is the last name, this is the job ID, and this is the salary, and the last expression here, the output of the case statement. Here we are giving a new underscore salary alias for the case statement. Case job ID, when st underscore man, if the job ID equal st underscore man, returns salary plus 300. When job ID equal fi underscore mgr, returns salary plus 500. If the job ID equal ad underscore vip, returns salary plus 1000, else returns salary. So here for the first record, the job ID is ad underscore vp. Is ad underscore vp equal st man? No. Is it fi underscore mgr? No. Is it ad underscore vip? Yes. So return salary plus 1000. So the output of the case expression here will be the salary added by 1000. So the salary is 17,000. So here the output is 18,000. Same thing for the second record. The case statement will return salary added by 1000. Here in the third record, for example, the job ID is it underscore prog. Is it underscore prog st underscore man? No. Is it fi underscore mgr? No. Is it ad underscore vp? No. So here in this case, we retain the salary itself. So here, this is the salary and this is the new salary, which is 9,000. The fourth record here, the job ID is fi underscore mgr. Is fi underscore mgr is st man? No. Is it fi underscore mgr? Yes. So here we retain salary added by 500. So this is the salary and this is the new salary which is added by 500 and so on. So this is how to use the first syntax of the case statement. The second syntax of the case statement, it is called search case. Case when, and this is the condition, then this is the returned output, when condition 2 the return output, and last thing else, and this is the default return output, and then here end. Let's have a look at this example to understand how to use the second syntax. Select last underscore name, job ID, salary, case, when job underscore ID equal st man, then return salary added by 300. When job underscore ID equal fi underscore mgr, then return salary added by 500. When job underscore ID equal ad underscore vp, then return salary added by 1000, else return the salary, and we give this case statement an alias new salary. So this is the last name, this is the job ID, this is the salary, and this is the output of the case statement. We give it an alias, as we can see, a new salary. The first record, the job ID is ad underscore vp. So is ad underscore vp equal st underscore man? No. Is it fi underscore mgr? No. Is it ad underscore vp? Yes. So here Oracle will return salary plus 1000 for the first record. For the second record, the same thing. For the third record here, the job ID is it underscore prog. So here is it underscore prog equal st underscore man? No. Is it equal to fi underscore mgr? No. Is it equal to ad underscore vp? No. Else return the salary. So in this case, for the third record, Oracle will return the salary as a new salary, and so on. So this is how to use case statement in Oracle SQL. Decode has the same functionality as the case. Decode expression, this is the search 1 and this is the output or the result returned. Search 2 and this is the result 2. Search n and this is result n, and this is the default like else. So decode and case working as if else statement. To understand how to use decode, let's have a look at this example. Select last name, job ID, salary. So this is the last name, this is the job ID, and this is the salary, and this is the output of the decode function. So this is the output of the decode function. We give it an alias, a new salary. Decode job ID. Check the job ID. Is it equal to st underscore man? If yes, return salary plus 300. Is job ID equal fi underscore mgr? If yes, return salary plus 500. Is it equal ad underscore vp? If yes, return salary plus 1000, else return the salary. So this is how to read the decode function, and this is the output of the select statement, which is exactly matched the output of the case statement. So in this lesson we learn how to use case and decode functions in Oracle SQL statements. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.